Repair work was set to start in December 2012 on the famous Colosseum, Rome's very first all-stone amphitheater, which could possibly seat upwards of 50,000 viewers for its gladiatorial bouts, animal hunts and Christian sacrificial games. The project that concluded in mid-2015 consisted of the clean-up and remediation of the familiar arcaded façade, the development of a services centre, and the reconstruction of various galleries and underground areas. What is more profound and needs to be shown is the archaeological evidence for the Colosseum being built with Second Temple treasures. The Colosseum has actually been so called from approximately the 8th century AD, in reference to a colossal statue of the infamous Emperor Nero that stood close by. In fact, the initial name of the structure was the Flavian Amphitheater, after the emperors of the Flavian dynasty who constructed it in the late 1st century AD, Vespasian, Titus and Domitian. The Lampadius inscription is very important due to the fact that it had actually been sculpted on a block that had a previous engraving made of bronze letters. These letters left holes in the marble, and these holes were deciphered. It was discovered that the bronze engraving celebrated the initial dedication of the amphitheatre by Vespasian, with the confirmation that the Colosseum was constructed with the spoils of war and the plundering of the Temple of Jerusalem. The marble arch of Titus was constructed in 81 AD by the Emperor Domitian to celebrate the victory and triumphal parade of his brother Titus, the conquering army general and Emperor Vespasian's son and successor. A current undertaking of the Yeshiva University Center for Israel Studies carried out a new research study of the primary relief panels on the arch, which revealed the triumphal parade of 71 AD and the deification of Titus. In the most well-known of the panels, Roman soldiers carry the Jerusalem temple spoils on parade, consisting of the menorah, the showbread table and trumpets, which were then stored in Rome's Temple of Peace. Professor Louis Feldman from the Stated University likewise records an old tale that Jewish labor built the Colosseum. He believes that might have come from the Roman claim to have actually taken 97,000 Jewish captives in the revolt when the destruction of the Second Temple ended. This further strengthens the archaeological evidence for the Colosseum being built with Second Temple treasures and human resources.